Yeah, I think those are both incredibly important and also, changing with time. So for mentorship, what we're trying to do is make an impact in our own lab, but we're also trying to make a much bigger impact. We can really multiply the effect that each of us has if we're able to train and mentor a number of people who leave our labs and go on and basically continue to use their creativity and innovation to change the world. So I put a big emphasis on mentoring young people, helping them to understand how we pursue research, how we identify important problems, and then how we actually take those ideas and start trying to actually turn them into reality. So I think, we need to think about taking time. We also need to give feedback. So, a big part of this is taking enough time to not just kind of take the data and run, but to talk with the students and the postdocs and the research staff about how they're approaching things, how we could improve things, and to really encourage collaboration. I think the days of individuals, this kind of lone wolf out there in the research lab changing the world, that I'm sure that will still happen. But most of the time it's going to be collaboration that's going to lead to the big impact. And so the lab culture, I think, is really important to that. And I try to, create a lab culture where people feel like they are cooperating and that they're succeeding together. They're part of a team. They're not competing with each other in the lab. And so, I recruit people, I talk to people, I try to engage with people to encourage and actually reward collaboration and working together and working well together. And you can even think about this if you want to be purely selfish about this, the people in the lab are going to work really hard. And well, to be successful, they're probably going to need to work really hard. It's going to be really hard for them to work hard unless they actually like coming into the lab. So you want to create a culture, where they have people that they're working with that they like, they feel like their ideas and their data is valued, and they feel like you're looking out for them.